All aboard for a booze cruise with everyone's favorite 11.5-inch fashion doll. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, coming to you from a plastic paradise on the high seas. And this lovely libation, the Maritime Margarita, will get you where you're going no matter how unseaworthy your vessel. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of reposado tequila, 1/2 ounce blue curaçao, 1/2 ounce orange spice syrup, find the recipe below, and 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. These folks seem to be able to drink an unlimited number of these without getting tipsy. It's true the people at this party are a little plastic, but everyone's smiling and happy. It's a perfect day. Wait, what's happening? Oh my gosh, run! Save yourself! Whew, that was close.
I grabbed a few bottles for the road.
That's the spirit. Here's to escaping death.
Or did we?
Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for even more boozy fun, and don't forget to join our Facebook group where the best conversations happen. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See ya soon!